Okay, go ahead and start it. I'll try to start it. It's a 2009 Chevy HHR. Look like the this hose is leaking gas. Okay, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. Okay, I see where it's coming out at. Okay, so that's it right there. So I got to replace that hose. So, okay. Do it one more time. Okay, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. Turn it off, okay. Okay, cool. So I see, okay. All right, stop it here. So I'm going to replace this this line right here. So I'm gonna stop it here. Okay, we're taking off the bad fuel line here. It's just what happened is it just got old and okay, we'll come over here. There you go. And what, like I was telling him, what we got to do, we got to hopefully they give us just give us some fuel line. Cause I learned, it was a video I did a couple of years ago. Cause I got a whole bunch of vacuum lines. You can't have regular vacuum line. You got to have it rated for fuel, or the gas will just eat through it. But I told him it could have been a lot worse. So it could have been there where we had to drop the tank or something and try to find it. Okay, so okay, whew. Right there, and okay, got it off. Okay, stop it here. Okay, we got the line. Just gotta make sure it says it's rated for fuel. So where is it at? Fuel line, SAE. But you gotta make sure we got a little bit long. When I get back, I can adjust as needed. So we got it at O'Reilly's Auto Parts store. So all right, they had it. All right, next flip is gonna be on, and the car gonna be running. Okay, I want to show that this is what happened. It was maybe this part of the must have rusted and they cut it out, and so this was actually a repair. So it didn't. No, it's cheaper to replace the entire line. So that's right. You can see where it's been cut. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna trim some off. So I have it a little bit longer. So I have it about okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of that on there, WD-40, and let's go for it. Let's go for the gusto. Okay. Okay. Then come over here. Come over here. Let's move these down here a little bit. Okay, move that up. Let's see. Move these here. Let's see, can we get it to? Okay. Okay, so we got it. Put the okay. Okay. Okay, put another one there. Got a line, okay. Move it down some more. Okay. Okay. Move that up, bend it up. Okay, now we're gonna do these here. Okay. Hey, go pour the rest of that gas in there, man. Yeah. Then put the gas cap on there. We're gonna have you up and going. No. Put the gas in there. Oh, okay. Well, that was a sign, because every time you turn the key on, even if you don't turn on the motor, it sends fuel pressure to the engine. So we looking good right now. All right, I'm gonna stop it here, and I'm gonna start the video back up when we get ready to start the car up. All right. Okay, here's the moment of truth. There we go. Repair. Not too bad a repair. Okay. Now I gotta follow. What is it saying on the gas tank? Okay, so okay, we're gonna head to the gas station now for this repair. Just so the people who had a car previously, they didn't want to replace the entire fuel line, so they did this. And I guess it lasted some years. It went out on it today, so we had to get it sold over to my location and then we fixed it. So anyway, see this video here.